In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use search in Slack. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find messages, files, channels, and people quickly, and how to narrow things down so you spend less time scrolling and more time getting work done. Start by heading to the search bar at the very top of Slack. This is your command center for finding almost anything in your workspace. Click into the bar and begin typing what you're looking for. You can enter a topic, a phrase, a person, or even just part of a term you remember. As you type, Slack may suggest relevant channels, people, or recent searches, which you can select to jump straight to results. If your first try returns too many results, refine it with filters. Type keywords directly, or use powerful filters to narrow things down. Use from to focus on messages posted by a specific person. For example, you might enter a topic followed by from a teammate's display name to see messages only from that person. Use in to limit results to a particular place, like a channel or direct message thread. For instance, add in /general to keep your search within that channel. And if you're looking specifically for shared documents, add #, all to see only results that include a file. You can combine these filters together with your keywords to zero in on exactly what you need. When you need precision, put your phrase in quotation marks. Quoted searches tell Slack to find that exact wording in that exact order. For example, typing annual report returns only messages or files containing that full phrase, not just the individual words scattered around. If you only remember part of a word, use the asterisk as a wildcard. Add it to the end of a stem, like plan, to catch plan, planning, or planned. You can use it at the beginning or middle of a word too, if you're unsure of the start or a segment of the term. This is especially helpful when you remember how something sounds but not how it's spelled. As you scan results, you can open messages to see them in context or preview files to confirm you've found the right one. Adjust your keywords or filters as needed, and don't be afraid to iterate. Small tweaks often surface exactly what you're after. That's it. Use the search bar, refine with from, in, and #, lock down exact phrases with quotation marks, and use the asterisk for partial matches. With these tools, finding anything in Slack becomes fast and reliable.